Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word previous. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She had read the previous chapter of the book before going to bed. Previous refers to something that occurred before the present time or situation, or something that came before in a sequence or order. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.